Alright guys, so in this video I'm gonna discuss about a huge mistake that I was doing when I started my whole journey, and it's also a mistake that I see at the gym where I go, and in every gym all around the world. It's very common. I'm sure probably you didn't know about this mistake, so I'm gonna mention this in this video. So if you don't know who I am, my name is Xenios. I used to be a celebrity personal trainer in central London. I also used to be 2 years in the special forces. And since 2013, I help hundreds of people online transform their body and sustain their results. Now, with that being said, let's dive into this video and let me explain you exactly what is this mistake. So this is a mistake that comes from the repetitions. So a lot of people think that a repetition is just one movement, but in reality, a repetition at the gym is two movements. So it's the eccentric and then eccentric. So either you do bench press, or maybe you do lat pull downs, or maybe in deadlifts. You need to understand that when you do these exercises, you need to focus on those two movements of the repetition, which is the eccentric and then eccentric. So what most people do, and let's take for example the lat pull downs, they stop the exercise, they start the repetition, and what they do the eccentric as fast as they can, and then the eccentric, or maybe the negative form of the movement, they just leave it. So what you do, basically you are just doing 50% of the exercise. So the other 50%, which is then eccentric, it's getting wasted, and this is gonna cause you a serious problem to your gains. I mean, you're gonna waste a lot of time, and this is also something that I used to do as well. And as soon as I fixed it, I started to realize that right now I'm getting stronger, I'm getting bigger, I have much better muscle growth, much better proportions, and everything is definitely 100% way better than what it used to be before, when I was just focusing only on one movement, which is the eccentric. So it's very important for you, every time you go to the gym, you focus on this movement. And I'm sure the other question that a lot of people ask me, and this is a little bit related to this topic, is okay, what weight should you use when you do the exercises? Now, when you do an exercise, and for example in your program you have to do 8 repetitions, you need to choose a weight that you will fail on the 7th or maybe 9th repetitions if you are supposed to do 8 repetitions. Now, if you can do 5 or 6 repetitions, that means you are using too heavy weight. And if you can do more than 9 repetitions, that means you are using lightweight, and the whole set doesn't really count. It's considered as a warm-up set. So you need to make sure that you choose a weight that you can fail between the 7th and 9th repetition if you're supposed to do 8 repetitions, and that what counts as a working set. So this, again, really important. For example, don't get confused that, oh, I have to do 3 sets on this exercise and the first set is super lightweight and you count it. So if you do this mistake, it's gonna cause you again a serious time and wasted time to your whole journey if you want to gain muscle mass. But again, the most important mistake that I want you to make sure to fix next time you go to the gym, make sure that you focus on the eccentric and the eccentric movement of the repetitions. So make sure that you understand that the repetition is 2 movements, it's not just one. Both movements are important when it comes to an exercise and the repetition. And the second thing, make sure that you are choosing the right weight. You don't want to do something crazy at the gym where you get injured. At the same time, you don't want to do something super light that is gonna again cause you to waste a lot of time to getting to your dream body. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment below, leave a like, and if you guys want to take your fitness to the next level, then I'm inviting you to book a free consultation call with me or one of my coaches. In this consultation call, we're going to discuss what you did in the past, what didn't work, where you want to go, and what exactly is the strategy that you need to follow in order to achieve your dream physique. So make sure you book this call, and on this page right now you see a lot of transformations of my clients. This is something that you can achieve as well. And also in this call we're going to discuss more information about my program and how it can benefit you. So I'm going to leave the links in the description below. So I will see you again on the next video.